Alright, good deal, guys. We are live right in time. Oh my goodness, I'm telling you, I don't know how you found the live before it started, but we had camera problems this morning, so we reset everything, got it all going, and we're here at 11 o'clock in the morning. What is going on, Brett? What is up, Mr. Simon? Hopefully you guys are having a good day, and hopefully people start jumping in here pretty soon. It's an important lesson in brevity. Something is, come on, Brett. I was first. I was just having a long message. There you go. Now we don't know, guys, who was actually first in here, Brett or Simon. We got to figure that out. Oh, man. AMC is going to have a good day today, guys. I know it is. I should have wrote something short. I would have been first. Oh, no. There's always tomorrow, Simon. There's always tomorrow. Do not be scared. You can get it. Going to have a good day. Jarrett, it's going to be a very good day today. Yes, man. $45.47 right now. We're above that $45 line that everybody wants to stay above. The $45 resistance is now $45 support. So that is good. If you're looking for support and resistance levels, 45 was resistance. Boom, 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 boom. Couldn't beat it. We beat it. Boom, boom. And now it's support. See how that works out? Very nice, guys. Very nice. Bounces off it again. And 48. Do we still have our $48 on the chart here? Let's figure that out. You know what? I don't want these lines. We can get rid of all these orange lines. Maybe we can turn that as $45 orange, because I do like orange support lines for some reason recently. So 48, yeah, we do have 48 on the chart. Good deal. Keep that up there for resistance, and we want an orange level of support. Nice. All right, orange level of support down there. Let's zoom back in a little bit. Yeah, let's zoom back in a little bit. There we go. That looks a little better. Morning, Clay. Hopefully we break 50 today. Alan, I sure hope so, man. We got to break 48 first, though. Good morning, Clay. Nat, good morning to you. I'm going to quit my job with AMC. Miss, what a name. Apostolic is key. Apostolic. Apostolic, maybe. Apostolic is key. Yes. Good deal. And I hope you do get to quit your job because of AMC. What up, fam? Got the notification. DD214. That's what I'm talking about. Mr. Simon says, good morning, people. I don't know if he's throwing that fake wrench out there, but good morning, people, with the wrench. I like it. Nice Dutch color. Well, I'm glad you like it too, man. Good morning, Clay fam. Ricardo, good morning to you. Cassie, good morning. Good morning, Clay bro. Good morning to you, SD. Now the day has started properly. Hi, all. Pringleton, the day has finally started. We don't start the day until AMC comes on the Clay bro chart. Hey, Clay, where are you? Alan, I'm in my house. In Ohio, man. Where are you at? That's the question we all need to know. Greetings from New Jersey. Peggy, greetings from Ohio. How you doing, Peggy? Good morning, Clay. I'm expecting heavy shorts later due to the rules being implemented tomorrow. Lex Luthor, man. Yeah. I would expect some... Well, you know what, man? We should always expect the worst, right? We got to expect some heavy shorting. We got to expect a sell-off because a lot of people think that tomorrow's going to be a big day, with the increase in margin requirements potentially being a catalyst for the AMC Stock Short Squeeze. Whether it happens or not, only time's going to tell, man, and tomorrow's tomorrow, so that's what we're hoping for. But, yeah, we got to figure that out, and we should expect some sort of a sideswipe attack on us. Well, Clay, how's the bro morning going? B. Hayes, Jesus peace, man. The bro morning is going good. How's it going for you? What up, Nick? What's up? Morning, bros. What's up, Nick F? How you doing? Hi, Simon. Hi, Nick. New York in the house. Babyface AMC 8. Very nice, man. Ohio in the house here. Do you think it's safe to switch brokers now? Nick, I do, man. It doesn't take very long to switch brokers. If you're looking to switch brokers, it's like 2, 3, 5 days at the most to switch brokers, and yeah, I don't think that you're going to get like caught up, and the short squeeze is going to start and end before you're able to switch accounts. I'll start my day standing in line at gas station since 7 a.m. this morning and still in not line now. What? Nat, where are you from that you're standing in line since 7 a.m. at the gas station and you're still in line? Even if you're 4 hours behind me, which would be kind of hard. Where is 4 hours behind Ohio? That I don't even know. But, yeah, that sounds like a really long time. Even if you were in line for 5 minutes, that's still a long time. Ortex update. Nick, thank you for the Ortex update. Estimated short interest change down 1.03%. Return shares 1.41. Borrowed shares 297,000. Ooh, interesting. Change is down 1.11 million. Estimated current short interest to free float 17.11 million. Or 17.11%, sorry. Estimated current short interest, 87 million. Utilization, 93.39%. Nick, thank you very much for the Ortex update. Joshua, yo, kind of want to dip so I can buy my covered call back. Well, Joshua, up to you, man. Up to you, but I don't know if we're going to get a dip or not. If we dip, we got to test the $45 level of resistance. Thanks for always being a cool head, Clay. You're awesome. Keep being you, babyface. AMC 8, thank you. You keep being you too, man. No, there's nobody out there like you, so you keep being you. Brian, good morning, Clay. Have you moved the Keurig into the room to avoid another coffee crisis? Brian, I have not done that, man. Probably golf close, Clay. 4 hours, though? Like, that might, yeah, it may be there. But, dude, that sounds like a really long... Nat, where are you from? I need to squeeze to buy a new house. I need to know where Nat's from. That just sounds like a really long time. But, Nick, you might be onto something there. But that'd still be like 3 hours. My gosh. Who is your daddy and what does he do? Let ET 2010. My dad is not Citadel and he does not work on Wall Street. Morning all. Riptide Redemption. What's going on? Lex Luthor, do you think trading platforms that rely on payment for order flow like Robinhood are in trouble since Gensler's starting possible end of the price? Hey man, do I think they're in trouble? No. I don't think they're in trouble. Do I think that they're going to keep up the free trades and commissionless trades? No. I think that if we get rid of payment for order flow, hey man, we're just going to go back to $10 each side trades. Then they're going to start competing on commission. And yeah, man, whether or not Robinhood fails on that, I don't know. They're going to have to implement some way to make money. And they're going to do that. Whether or not people continue to use Robinhood if they charge commission, I don't want, and listen, man, maybe you guys are, that hate payment for order flow, maybe you guys are, I don't know, going to get what you asked for, I guess, but if we go back to commission, a lot of people are going to get ripped, and a lot of people won't be able to trade. She said New Orleans, been in a line since 7 a.m. for 4, oh my gosh, New Orleans, Nat, been in the line since 7 a.m., oh my gosh, I don't like it. I don't like it, Nat, but I'm glad you're okay. New Orleans, you got hit by yeah. No, I know you got hit by the hurricane, but I didn't know where you were from and why you would be in line so long, man. That just listen, stay patient, hang out with us. I guess you're still in line. It's gonna be a while, and you know what? Just be glad that you're okay because I was watching some videos of that, and that was absolutely devastating. So please, just be glad you're okay. Hang out, stay patient. And you're going to be doing just fine. Pringleton, we don't have payment for order flow in UK, and it's grand. Why, Pringleton? Why is it grand? What's the benefit of not having payment for order flow? Nola is an hour behind, so look at Nick, man. Look at Nick F down there, like he lives in New Orleans. Nola is an hour behind, so 3 hours. Oh my gosh, look at this tag too. Look at complete dweeb. What's up, Clay? Everyone, Clay, I'm up to speed with profit gain, percentage gain with my numbers, 73 average, 38.11. If I want to get 100 shares, what price should I jump in at? Chris, good question, man. That's the $1,000,000 question. Everybody wants to know. Dude, you can look at support and resistance lines, right? We're using 45 as support today if you want to get in during today at some point. If we break down through that, dude, we're going back down to potentially $42, $40 range. And, you know, there's no saying when the perfect entry is, okay? But if you want to get in on a dip today, we may dip down and test that $45 mark again. If we go below that, we may be at yesterday's area around, where was it yesterday? Around $43 per share. Below that, we got support at 40. So, I mean, if you're looking at more recent time frame levels of support, 45, nah, I don't want to call it after hours. 45, 43, and $40 could be decent levels of support if you're looking to jump in on something in a relatively short time frame. Thank you, Nick F. Absolutely need gas for the generator. I imagine you do, Nat. Just please stay patient. Sup. That's AMC. Oh, yes, Fud Spreader. I love Nala. Well, dude, if you love Nala, good, man. Good. I just know that you sound like a local, man. Clay, bro. Go. Ooh, ah. Ooh, ah. Ooh, ee, ooh, ah, ah, ding, ding, walla, walla, bing, bang. What up, bro? What's going on, Luke? Remember a week and a half ago, we were at about 30. Yes, Brett, we were definitely at 30 about a week and a half ago. People were really not wanting to go down to the 20s. We didn't go down into the 20s, and now we're in the 40s staying strong. So that should be a confidence booster for everybody out there that a week and a half ago, yes, we were in the 30s. A week and a half from now, we could be in the 50s. A week and a half from then, we could be in the 60s, and so on and so forth. Chipmunk's still around. Marky, he's still around, dude, but he has not been in my house in, like, what, the last 2 or 3 weeks. It's getting kind of annoying that he doesn't want to come hang out with me anymore, but I feel like he's stacked up his one hole, and now he's living in a different hole, and he just doesn't jump in the house anymore. I don't know. It's been super hot out, so I think maybe he's trying to stay cool, too, but I'm not exactly sure what's going on with that. Cassie, thanks. Absolutely. What is a realistic short squeeze price range? I'm new, so please tell. Smitta! Realistically, whatever people can hold to, right? I don't know if people are going to be able to hold to $100,000 like a lot of people are hopeful of, but if they can, that's where we go. If they can't, we go lower. It's time to make amends with Chip Bro. Get some of those minibar macadamia nuts from the closet, from the closest hotel. Brett, I should, man. I don't know what I did to him, but I regret it. I wish he would come back. Baby, come back. That's all. That's like I look out the patio door and I sing that all day. Antic says AMZ to Pluto. Oh yeah. Tell that dude you have AC. He knows. He's been in my house, man. He knows. But I think he's just afraid. Like the sun is just beating down on the back patio all day long, and he doesn't want to run across it. It's crazy. Yes, Jimmo got tired of closing nuts. No, Lex, he did not. He got tired of the heat. What do you think about Astro's cycle theory? Good luck. I hope that it hits, and I don't base any trades on the perfect patterns repeating themselves endlessly. 100,000, really? Yes, man, 100,000. A lot of people believe it's going to go to 100,000, and hey, man, it could if everybody held out, but it's going to be a lot easier to hold out into a lower price. Ethereum is looking beautiful today, too. Gotta have Ethereum in the portfolio. Antics! All right, Ethereum does look very nice today. You know what? Dude, I was sitting in somebody else's trading room this morning. I watched a little bit of Coors. I watched some Keenan. I was watching TMI, and then I was watching I think it was beginner trades or beginning trades or something like that. I don't know. His picture is like just the candlesticks. He's like, Bitcoin is tanking right now. Oh, this could be an excellent entry. Bitcoin is tanking down to 47,600. I'm like, dude, Bitcoin's up 1% on the day. How's it tanking right now? But I didn't say anything in the chat. It's just fun to watch other people's styles too. What is Astro's theory? Listen, man, I probably can't do it justice, and I don't know if he can either. But his theory is that the same pattern, especially in AMC, he's talking a lot about AMC, but I guess it would be in stocks in general. The same pattern, or a fractal, is repeated endlessly, over and over and over. Now, it could be on different time frames, different scales, etc. So, if you were going to look at this pattern right here, stair-stepping down, and then coming back up and stair-stepping down again. Whether you zoomed in, whether you zoomed out and you were on 1 minute bars, 1 hour bars, 1 year bars, whatever, you're going to be able to see this exact same pattern right here over and over and over and over for all of eternity. That is Astro's theory. And if you see this pattern and you see that we are on this dip right here, you can go ahead and buy. Right? Because you already watched it stair step down, top stair, second stair, third stair, fourth stop down is the bottom. You buy in, and then you're guaranteed to make money. It's the same pattern over and over and over. Now, I'm sure that I did not do it justice. So if you want to go in there and listen to him tell you that same thing, then by all means, do it. Clearbro, good morning. Alfredo, good morning to you. Okay, I can believe $100 bill, get real 100,000. Not going to happen ever. Model, I think that it's going to go over 100, man. I definitely think that it would go over 100. No, you guys know, man, and model you might be new, I do believe that $100,000 per share is like extremely, extremely difficult. But I do think that you're also cutting yourself short at 100. The only reason Astro's theory makes so much sense is because all of the trading is done by computers. I am a believer. Difficult, dude. Difficult to believe in that theory. Most of the trading being done by computers, I don't know. I don't know if that part is true. A lot of the trading is done by computers, yes. But I would say most of the trading is still done by people. And people are unpredictable. So I wouldn't fall into that. If most of it, dude, I don't even know. If you want to say most of it, you still got the part that's still done by people, and people are unpredictable. So difficult, dude, difficult. If you believe in it, excellent. If you don't, then just, I don't know, be more vigilant. But I wouldn't get terribly caught up in the exact same pattern happening over and over. How many shorts do you think they could cover in one day? Have a guess. Depends on the day, man. Depends on the day. If you got a day where you're trading 1 billion shares, they can cover all of them in a day. If you get a day where they're trading 50 million shares, a lot less than all of them are gonna be covered. Is it Lambo yet? Still holding. Phineas, soon, man. Soon will be Lambo. Is anybody in here out of the 134? Is anybody actually gonna buy a Lamborghini? I want to know that. Why is my deadbeat computer just sitting here not making me money? I wonder the same exact thing, Brett. I had to restart the computer this morning so that I could get the camera working. Dude, it took like 23 minutes to restart the computer and get everything to pull back up. Talk about a deadbeat computer. Come on now, Samsung. What are you doing? Clay, I'm on right now. Read my last comment if you can. I think it could help. Chris says, instead of an estimate of a price for the squeeze, can you explain when you say we understand the potential? I think most people are asking, what's the potential? So, good deal, Chris. I mean, the potential is essentially unlimited, right? And the cool thing about AMC reaching its full potential strictly relies on everybody holding AMC. Now, I know there are institutions holding AMC. I know there are apes holding AMC. I know there are day traders holding AMC. We decide the price that we sell at. Now, you're going to get some day trading noobs out there who are like, oh, well, man, $48 is a super strong level of resistance. I'm going to sell it when it goes up to $48. Well, guess what happens? It goes up to $48, and then they sell it, and then that creates selling pressure, and it goes back down. If everybody were to just like let it go and watch the shorts cover, but they're not willing to sell back to those shorts, it just becomes that turns into a game of when people are willing to jump ship and when people are willing to let their shares go. And if that's the case, man, and if everybody's like, well, I'm on board for 10,000. Price goes to 10,000. I'm on board for 800. Price goes to 800, and so on. That's the potential relies in us because it's when will we be tempted enough to take our profits. Tesla all the way. Jackie, you grabbing a Tesla post squeeze? I don't want a Lambo. These sports cars are too tight for me inside. I'm 6 foot tall. I need a bigger car, maybe possibly a helicopter. You don't need a helicopter. What are you gonna do with a helicopter, man? Hyundai Tucson. Mark, very nice, man. I like that. I think my brother got a Hyundai. I don't know which kind it is though. I don't even know. It's a nice car, though. Can you write the Lambo off as a loss since it will be parked in your garage for 11 and a half months out of the year? Yeah, I'm pretty sure you could, man. You could write it off as like an advertising expense. You could write the depreciation off because as soon as you drive that bad boy off the lot, you're probably losing about $50,000, $60,000. And then, yeah, you can write it off as a loss because it's just going to sit there and you can't drive it. So I'd be on with that. Dude, if your tax professional won't help you write a Lamborghini off, it's not a tax professional. That's a tax unprofessional. Yeah, I just want a few expensive rally cars. JW, man, rally cars. Okay, we got like Subaru. What are we going with? What aren't you going to do with a helicopter? I guess you wouldn't go surfing with a helicopter. I guess you wouldn't do that. I don't open up a taxi service. Maybe you wouldn't do that. Use it as an Uber. I feel like you wouldn't do that. A couple things that I think you wouldn't. Don't you need a license for a few years before you can get a Lambo? Anyway, JW, I don't know. I feel like if someone's willing to insure it, then you're good to go. And I have no idea the license requirements on a Lamborghini. If anybody does, if you've looked into it that far, There you go. Real estate. M. James says real estate. Post squeeze, or you're not going to do real estate with a helicopter? I forget what question you're answering there. Helicopter wakeboarding, though. Now, that sounds legit, Brett. I want to do that with you post squeeze. Niniwaka, real estate and a few turnkey businesses. Very nice, Niniwaka. Post squeeze business plans in place now. I love it. I begged it for Clay. People go surfing from a helicopter. Yeah, but they don't surf in the helicopter. They might like go out and then they might get dropped off. But then they don't surf in the helicopter. They just take it out with their surfboards and then come back. Buy a blimp, take it to Target, and park anywhere I want. Jarrett, very interesting, man. Would you actually like land it, or would you just like keep it hovering above the parking lot a little bit and then, I don't know, slide down on a rope? I like your I like your I like your style, Jarrett. Yes, team airship. Oh my gosh, man. Anybody got a spare like Goodyear blimp around that you could just loan to Jarrett for a while so we can decide whether or not he wants it for real? The GOAT, Kobe traveled by helicopter. Yes, that is true, John. That is true. I might invest in a stingray and pufferfish aquarium. Brian, interesting, man. I did not know anybody was into fish like that, but good deal. The driving is for peasants. I prefer Rolls Royce with a personal driver. I would never want to be behind the week. What? I would never want to be behind the week. I want to be in the back seat with my three-piece suit, smoking cigars with a Mamacita. Antics the legend. All right, man. Well, hopefully you make enough money that you can grab that Rolls Royce and a personal driver. Find a good one, though, man. Find a good one. Good. We will have money. We can have a customized helicopter that can surf. Listen, Mr. Simon, if you come up with one of those, I want to be involved with it, okay? I want to be involved for sure. Buy hats. Lots and lots of hats. Johan is buying lots of hats. Good deal, man. I just want a place to live next to the beach, either in Surf City, Huntington, Waikiki, or Maui. Marky, good deal, man. Like right on the beach, like ocean view, or what are we talking here? Depending on taxes, sell price, investments, and debt-free life, then yes, I will most definitely spoil myself. I've worked as an ICU nurse for over 10 years, taking care of others. Now it's my time. Lex Luthor, that is what I'm talking about. Now it is your time. And I hope that you get it too, man. But I hope everybody stays reasonable, right? And they do look at those things you just mentioned first. You got your sell price, all that stuff. And you do want to generate some sort of income post-squeeze. You do want to make sure that you're debt-free post-squeeze if you can afford it. You do want to make sure that if you find a house that you want to live in, that you can afford that, and so on. Now, I don't know everybody's position out there, how much we got, and these are all things that you need to think about now so you can decide what you want to sell at during the squeeze. It was my birthday last Friday, Clay. Elizabeth! Well, then I got to sing you happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Elizabeth. Happy birthday to you. Elizabeth, why did you not tell us last Friday that was your birthday? I certainly would have sang to you. They have those already. I live in the river. There's planes taking off. It's taking off from this time. It's insane. Well, did surf though? I mean, come on, they don't surf with them now, do they? I just want my husband to be able to retire. There you go, Deborah. I like it. I live in Ohio. I'm moving out west. This climate sucks. I live in Ohio too, man. I live in Ohio, but Ohio's got its benefits. I mean, it's got some benefits, right? Happy birthday, Elizabeth. Yes! Well, it doesn't surf, but it glides on the water. We making compromises already, Ryan? We making compromises, man? We need a helicopter that surfs. What an angel. Me? Elizabeth? Who's the angel now? Now I don't know. What happened to get past resistance point? What is resistance point? 3 to king. Resistance at $48 per share. If we sustain a move above $48 per share, we're testing like $49.90 to $50 per share. Clay bro, just stopping by now to show some love and like. Thanks for everything. Go AMC. Pam the trader. Thank you very much. I saw it. Where did I see you hanging out a minute ago? Oh, man, I was in 3 different live streams. Pam, were you in TMI's this morning? Is that where you were? Were you in TMI's or were you in Keenan's? You were in one of those. TMI. Gotcha. I saw you hanging out in there earlier. Why is nobody pushing the envelope really hard about the quantity of dark pool action? It seems as though being in the mid-60s, dark pool is really, really high. Clay, can you speak on it? Yeah, Cole, man. I don't really have that big of a problem with dark pools. I do have a slight problem with them. I don't like the fact that their trades are reported after they're made instead of before they're made. I feel like they get an advantage that we don't have, and I feel like everybody should be on the same page. But, dude, dark pool prices are still reflected in this $45.17 price you see right here. Dark pool trades are still reported. Dark pool trades are still regulated. It's like people got this idea that whatever happens on the dark pool stays on the dark pool. And that's not the way it is. It's slightly delayed. So, in that aspect, I don't have a problem with it. But I do not like the fact that they do have a slight advantage. If we could see $1 million order or a 1 million share order coming in, which I know they don't put those through the dark pool, average order size is like 200 shares now. If we could see the big orders coming through like they can, we could at least prepare a little bit better. So it's not a level playing field, but it's not like super, I don't know, problematic in my mind. Have a great day, everyone. See you next time. Pam the Trader, thank you very much. You as well. Have a wonderful day. Pam the Trader, you everywhere. She is, man. She is. And she decided to come in and say, what's up? Good deal. Yes, I love my AMC family. Saw you earlier, too. Man, Pam the Trader is just very good, guys. Very good. And that's what I like. Be everywhere. Show everybody a little bit of support. Hey, if you like one person better than the other, hang out with them more than the other. But it doesn't hurt you, and it really does help to click the like button, to just subscribe to people's channels, and it helps more than you really know because you actually don't do anything besides click a button, and it does help. So just show support to everybody, unless you really don't like them, and then just don't be rude. Just don't show support and don't try to tear them down. Hey, do you think AMC will dip back to the 30s? I want to buy more stock, and I don't know if I should wait for the dip or just buy now. Blissful and Beyond, very good question. Look, if we dip below 45 here, we went through support levels a minute ago. If we dip below 45 here, we've got support in this area at 43. If we dip below 43, we've got a lot of support in the $40 range. And then if we break through that, 38, 38.50 is the level that we're going to watch down there. So we do have several levels of support that we can see before it ends up happening, but that's what you need. Man, I'm sorry that was small. I wanted to make that bigger. Zizzy, thank you very much for becoming a bro. I appreciate it. The green name is going to look very good on you. Guys, 178, welcome Zizzies into the chat right now, and thank you very much for grabbing that green name, becoming a little bro, and everybody is going to give you a nice warm welcome right now. Show some love all over our community is right. Absolutely, Pam. That's what you got to do. Welcome, Jizzy. No, it's welcome, Zizzy. That's how I'm pretty sure that's how you say that name, right? Zizzy. Keep applying the pressure. Oranges? Oranges, Paul? What is that? Is that an orange? I don't even know what that fruit is there. Welcome. Jay says welcome. Welcome, Zizzy. Thank you, Nadia Cashman. See you again soon. Have a wonderful day. Thank you very much, Pam. I appreciate that. Welcome. You're spelling it wrong, Brett. You're spelling it wrong. Welcome and hello, Elizabeth. Yes. Oh, ZZ. ZZ. Welcome, ZZ. Dude, that's so much easier. ZZ is so much easier than ZZ. Thank you, ZZ, for grabbing a green name, becoming a member, joining the little bros. I absolutely love it. Everyone, cancel your Netflix subscription for AMC On Demand. You know what? I was watching a show on Prime the other day. Upload. Pretty interesting show. I was laughing at it. It was pretty funny. You guys ever seen it? Upload? Good day to you again, Clay. Vasteel, good day to you again as well. Yeah, ZZ, man. ZZ, I don't know, like ZZ man, ZZ girl, like I don't even know what to say. I don't want to say ZZ dude, but ZZ bro. We'll go ZZ bro. Thank you for helping me pronounce that, because I was like, ZZ? What is it? But I can get AMC Plus free with Verizon. Very nice, oil tipped. I don't have Verizon, I got T-Mobile. T-Mobile's got Netflix for free, so technically why would you cancel Netflix if it's free with your T-Mobile? So I keep my Netflix, otherwise I can't chill. We need to chill, boys and girls. We need to chill. How are you going to do that without Netflix? The Z is silent. Oh, yes, the Z is silent. Oh, my God. I loved Upload. No, don't tell me how it ends. Don't tell me how it ends, Nini. I still got, I think, like 2 episodes left. Next series you need to watch, brand new cherry flavor. I haven't even like scrolled across that one. Is that on Prime or Netflix or where? Brand new cherry flavor. Anybody concur with Nini Waka on this one? Because I still got a couple episodes of upload left, and then brand new cherry flavor. I have no idea what that would even be about, but that sounds like something. It sounds like something you're interested in. Let's get started. Phone got a webcam. Yes, I'm excited for Clay Bro to not be so. Dude, I'm telling you, man, this is a good webcam, and you know it is. Brand new on Netflix. I'm gonna have to check it out then. Really, brand new cherry flavor. Oh, Caesar! Oh yeah, Caesar. Caesar says, "How's it going?" So, Caesar, how's it going? Caesar, how's it going? Thank you very much for the super sticker, Caesar. I appreciate that, and I just want to know, man, how's it going? Thank you very much for the super sticker. You guys are absolutely amazing. Oh my gosh, I'm stopping. Never stop. Never stop. Your dyslexia could stop, but you never stop. Watch The Social Dilemma on Netflix. Yeah, I have seen previews for that one, but I've never watched that one. Cherry flavor was crazy. Oil tipped, was it good? Ted Lasso. That's on Apple TV or something though, isn't it? I don't have that. AMC ripping again. AMC bouncing beautifully off that $45 level of support. Now, guys, I don't believe in the same pattern being displayed over and over and over again. But you can't deny that $45 is a level of support. I mean, at least intraday, right? With this level we had on there yesterday, and I believe the day before, boom, bounce off, boom, bounce off, boom, bounce off. I mean, I'm not going to sit here and advocate day trading anything, but I mean, look at this support. Boom, buy. Starts to turn red on you. You want to get out. Okay, boom, buy. I mean, you can't deny that 45 is the level of support. No, yes, no Netflix. Oh my gosh, what? Come on, Amy. Who's Amy? I love Ted Lasso. Yeah, but I can't watch that, can I? Looking strong at 45, actually. Crypto Rocketeers looking beautiful. Also watch Don't Mess with Cats. Dude, isn't that like a... I did see the previews for that, but that's like a show? Is that a show, or is that just like YouTube videos of cats or something? Because I scrolled past that one, and I'm like, nah, I don't want to watch that, but is it, what is it? I never watched that, never even clicked on it to see. I've only saw the thing. AMC is Amy. Oh, gotcha, Jay. Gotcha. I'm like, who's Amy? Who's Amy and what does she do? That's what we need to know. Johan, definitely uplifting until, let's say, Lead Tasso comes out. Oh, boy. Lead Tasso. Now we don't even know. Nothing of the sort. Well, shoot, dude. Maybe I need to watch it then. Watch it. Be prepared. Really? What? You guys all calling AMC Amy morning show. Well, okay, is that another one that I need to watch too? You guys are crazy. Clay Bro, hi, Honey Ape. I'm here. We can start the stream inside bar on the 1 hour frame. Soon Moon. Very nice, Odin. Glad you are here and glad we can finally start. You gotta start showing up a little bit earlier than a half hour in. Exactly. Nini Waka was pretty trippy. Man, this is crazy. Now I need to know what's going on in here. One of Canada's biggest murders. Nick. One of Canada's biggest murders. I missed the... Oh, very good. No, very good. The cat thing? What? This is about a murder. Dude, I thought for sure that that was about, like, YouTube videos of cats or something. It's about a murderer in Canada? What's up, Crypto? 3 away from 400 subs. Guys... 3 people, go subscribe to the AMC Vigilante right now. Just get them to 400. That's all you need. Dude, that's kind of crazy. I did not imagine that. Why would they do that? Like, they should have put a different promo on there because I probably would have actually clicked on it if it was something like that, but I feel like they kind of messed up that part of the marketing. Why did you click on it? Why did you click on it if you thought it was just about, like, a bunch of cats? Now I need to know. 400 is not all I need. No, but that's 400 is a nice round number. Then you can jump all the way up to 500. You gotta get to 400 first, though. But why would you guys click on that show when the preview was like, I don't want to say extremely dumb, but the preview to me was just like videos that you could catch on YouTube. Watch, don't have a catch it. Don't. Oh. Well, American says don't watch it. Everybody else says watch it. So not even know. That's what I'm saying. But it sounds like a murderer movie. Word of mouth, maybe and Nick. That's what it seems like it's gonna make me watch it here. I feel like they should have done better with their promo on the when you scroll across and see it. Someone told me to watch it. I was skeptical. Hooked within 5 minutes. Just like Tiger King. Really? I actually never watched Tiger King. Best friends, Kelby, what's going on? I meant watch it. Oh, American says watch it. This is nuts, man. Now I gotta figure this out because somebody needs to contact these people because I feel like they drastically messed up with their promo on Netflix. You gotta see it, it's sick. Tiger King was messed up. I never watched Tiger King. I do feel like they messed up though because if none of you guys actually clicked on it because of the preview, but you all clicked on it because of somebody telling you to watch it, like you're doing me now, then I think they could have got plenty more views. What now, Elizabeth? Sweaty what? Sweaty who? Sweaty what now, Elizabeth? Happy birthday to you, Sweaty. Sweaty who? Is that something from the show, or am I missing out on something? Dude, you have to watch Tiger King, bro. You're not American if you don't. Yeah, okay. I know that Tiger King took the what do you even call it, man? The Corona world by storm, or the lockdown world by storm, and everybody watched it because they were in their houses, but I never watched Tiger King. Can't believe he's still in jail. Man, who are we talking about now? I don't even know. Tiger King is a train wreck you just can't look away from. Oh. No, my dad, my brother, my sister, they all like Tiger King. They did. J-Man! Thank you for the cake. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Elizabeth and Natalie. Happy birthday to you. Is that ice cream cake? Strawberry ice cream cake? Thank you very much, J-Man. I appreciate the super sticker. That is awesome. What show are you talking about? Don't Mess with Cats or something. Nick. Have you seen it? Don't F with Cats. Saturday Night Live skit. Sweaty Bowers? Okay. Cherry. Well, no, you're talking about Don't Mess with Cats, Tiger King, and Cherry Flavor, but you're all talking about Don't Mess with Cats right now, though, right? We're talking about my cojones, Clay. Not in Gutenberg today. Gothenburg today. No! We're not talking about those. Crypto Rocketeer. Bro, you look like the type that watches Family Guy in his basement. I've never watched Family Guy in my basement, but I'm currently watching Upload. If you have not watched Upload yet, hey, I think it's pretty good. There's only one season out right now, and there's like 10 episodes. I think I got 2 episodes left, so don't tell me anything about it. I did watch Tiger King. I did not. Cherry Flavor also involves cats. Why are you guys watching so many shows with cats? He watches Nickelback in his basement. Yes, I do. Yes. And you know, okay, here, I will tell you this. So, Nickelback Radio on Pandora. If you're going to listen to Nickelback Radio, dude, there's like no ads. I'm telling you right now, you should listen to it because there's no ads. It's like I don't even have ad-free Pandora, but there's no ads on the Nickelback station. Pretty much any other station you listen to, there's ads because people listen to it. But if you want an ad-free station, Nickelback. I'm telling you right now, you'll be able to do your entire workout and have like no ad. It's good. Don't mess with Carol Baskins. Yeah, don't mess with Carol Baskins either. Upload is pretty good. I want to be uploaded when I die, John. Everyone watches The Boys. Everyone watches The Boys. The Nickelback Boys? Watch Thundercats, too. There was one... Are we talking like Thundercats, like the cartoon? Or there was another Thunder something that I saw on Netflix or somewhere the other day. Cup and Handle. Explosion in 2 minutes! Dude, everybody loves the cup and handles, don't you? Don't you just love the cup and handles, guys? What do we... Like, is this your cup and handle that you got on here? Dude, this cup is smaller than the handle, man. Are we going to explode from this level right here? We're going to bust through little tiny baby resistance at 4540 and move higher? I hope so. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. All right, let's get a trend line on here. Trend lines are made to be purple. So let's make it purple. All right, good deal. We're going to run the rest of the day because of that trend line. Yes, the cat thing. T-Mobile gives you ad-free weekends. Nah, I was listening to it yesterday, and there were no ads. Yesterday wasn't the weekend. But I did not know that T-Mobile gave you ad-free weekends. Clay, it's always a cup and... Dude, it's either a cup and handle or a bull flag. Every day. Nice tea. That is a very nice teacup with a very nice long handle. Clay must have a life. He doesn't know any of these shows. I don't have a life, dude. No life. Howdy from Central Texas. Arc Raz. Howdy from Ohio. Shot glass and a handle. Yeah, baby little cup with a handle. Somebody put a handle on a shot glass. John, probably. The rest of us never see sunlight. No, no way, Jay. No way. Arc Raz. Howdy from Central Texas, too. Oh, my gosh. What is considered Central Texas, though? Because Texas is huge. So you guys could probably still live further away than I do from another state than you do, and you're both in Central Texas. Or yeah, Jake, you're right, dude. It's either a bull flag, a cup and handle, or a George W. One of those three things is what you're going to see anywhere on YouTube. And then beyond that, what do you got? You've got MACD, RSI, and volume weighted average price. You've got those three things right there mixed with the three chart patterns that we just talked about. Central Texas here too. Everybody's Waco area. I'm in Austin. Austin and Waco. Look at that. Lucas is from Waco. Brett's in Austin. And Arcraz is between Austin and Waco. Did you guys just become best friends? I'm pretty sure you did. Pretty sure you did. Everybody meet at Arcraz's house. Okay? Because he's in the middle. Guys, meet there. Hey, Clay. How are you, bro? Eshan, I'm excellent. How are you, bro? Bullish pennant completed 12-12. Let's get it, Droman. AMC On Demand, a thing already. Is there an app? Ask Oil Tip, because it sounds like he gets it for free from Verizon. Clay is clearly an inverse head and shoulder. Listen, you don't hear that one as much, man. You don't hear the head and shoulders and inverse head and shoulders as much. Matt be like, setting up a nice cup and handle here. A voice crackling. Yeah, dude, cup and handle into a bull flag into a George W all day long. Sometimes you'll find a George W at the bottom of the cup. And what do you do when the handle turns into a bull flag? I don't even know. It's crazy. Cup and handle, I want to smash on the ground. It made me look like a darn fool. Darn it! It happens, American. It happens. More often than not. More often than not, your handle will turn into an upside down cup, just like you've got here. We had the cup and then a little handle, but now we've got an upside, so it's just an inverted cup and handle right here. This is the cup, that's the handle. It's just an inverted cup and handle. And what does that mean? Does that mean that it's going to go back up and turn back into a normal cup? Then we're going to get a cup and handle and an upside down cup and handle repeating all day long? Oh no! Guys, we're lost in the cup and handle fractal. Oh, somebody save me. We're lost in the cup and handle fractal right now. It's just going to repeat itself for all of eternity. We've got nothing but cup and handles on the chart for the rest of our lives. Oh, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Tampa, Florida. Adria, very nice. Snoop! What is up, Lauren? How are you doing today? Hopefully you are having a wonderful afternoon, darling. Hi, Lauren. Yes, I'm so lost. I just learned about the cup and handle yesterday. Is the George W a real term? Yeah, man. So when you get like a double bottom, let's see if we can find a little one here. It looks like a W, man. It looks like a W. I mean, you don't have any really good ones. You don't have any really good ones here. Maybe we can get at these. Okay, so you can get like a double bottom like this, man. This will be a really good W right here. And people, if they'd be freaking out right now. If we were looking at this chart pattern right here, people would be like, oh my gosh, you see a George W on the 5-minute. Okay, well, yeah, W. See what I'm saying? You got a double bottom, and then you could potentially break out to the upside. After you see that double bottom, you could run. So, George, people call it a George W, man. It's just a double bottom. Boom. Coming back up. and then bouncing again off the same bottom. You can see the bottom right here. Cup and handle, you saw that on the chart already. I don't really have any good 5-minute ones. I mean, if this would have broke out here, that would have been a decent one on the 5-minute, but bounced off 45. When it happens at support, or when it happens at resistance right here, you know, resistance always wins in my opinion. Just stopping in to say hi, Lauren. What's going on, Lauren? Hopefully you're having a good day. Brian throwing out the cup and handles. Very nice, Brian. Thank you very much. Check out the 4-hour chart. A raging turtle is poking its head. Fast. Sounds like a dangerous chart pattern, man. Clay just tagged you on your Twitter. Some cool aircraft to possibly buy. Simon, let's check out some cool aircraft, man. Super Chat Matt has a court date for pump and dump leg phase. I don't know if he's got a court date or not. Sounds dangerous. Nick F. Hello, everybody wants to say hi to Nick F, but don't want to say. This is clearly a tiny dancer pattern where it's holding closer to support. Yeah, clearly breaking out of that trend line right now. Look at that green candle. I absolutely love it, ladies and gentlemen. Let's watch it. Let's watch it form right now. Come on, you can do it. Follow up with another green candle. Don't get sucked back down to the trend line. Just go, 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 go. Bust through 45.80. We're going to tap $48 today. This is clearly go SEC something. Go SEC. Lauren, thanks for asking. I'm okay. Thanks, Clay. Never asked, by the way. Crypto Rocketeer, how you doing today, man? You having a good day? I know it's really hot over there. Am I still here? Please tell me I'm still here. Because that just disconnected and reconnected. Are we still here? Please don't tell me that we lost connection. Are we back, though? Oh, please tell me we're back. Don't do this to me. Don't. Oh, my gosh. Thank you, Brett. I don't know what the time frame is, like if I lag out for a certain amount of time before YouTube kicks me. Thank you, YouTube, for not kicking me. I don't understand why Streamlabs did that. Okay, well, now we know never to ask Crypto Rocketeer how he's doing because he tries to lag me out. Woo! Thank you guys very much for letting me know I'm back. And, yeah, we go away for a second, and AMC couldn't handle it without us cheering it on. So, come on, Amy. Come on. Run, run, run. Forget this. I'm going to watch Upload. No, Brian. Don't go watch Upload. Stay with us. Hold AMC till January 26, 2020 because AMC will reach $1,000. Eshan, I sure hope so. Thoughts on Beam? 36% short interest, 70% short volume, digital space. I honestly, man, I've never even looked at Beam. Let's check it out. If we've got a 36% short interest and 70% short volume, that could lead to a very decent squeeze for us if they decide to cover. But I don't know who all's in. I figure I would have heard about Beam with people getting excited about it, but I have not heard anything about that. Let's see, Beam's at $30 a share right now. And, well, listen, man, I don't know. So Beam's got some support around $25 per share. It's at $30 per share right now, up $1.38 on the day. If it runs, you're going to get resistance at $37 a share. But, dude, if it breaks $37 a share, I mean, you're looking for a run at least to upper 40s. And then, I don't know, if you could retest that high at $75, you're doing excellent, man. But I do not know anything about Beam other than the fact that I'm looking at it on my tablet right now. And it does look pretty good if you're able to get in at a support level. This area that you're in right now could prove to be a tiny little level of resistance in the $30 range. So I'd watch out for that. Anybody else heard about Beam? Because, I mean, it seems like if everybody's heard about it, people could be onto it and they could be jumping on it, but I've never heard about it. Licensed massage therapist, licensed mechanic, certified welder, and current college student. Needs some money so I can keep investing in myself. Kelby! You're just like a master of all things, man. What is going on? Massage therapist, mechanic, welder, college student? You got a lot going on. Guess what's for tea tonight? Lauren, you've got some of that beautiful apple cabbage coming in for tea. And you're also going to be eating a big juicy burger. So you're going to be eating a nice big juicy burger with some apple cabbage on the side. Did I get it right? Because, I mean, that was a guess. You told me to guess, and I guessed. What? You have life sussed, my friend. What is... Okay, what are you using this verb sussed now? You have life sussed, my friend. I don't know the meaning of that verb in that sentence. Is that good? It's the one, the only Claybro in the house, baby! What's up, DSA? How you doing, man? Thoughts on Tron TRX? Looking to expand my portfolio. Well, you guys, we know that this is not a Matt Kors style stream where you just bring up everything that people are looking... What do you mean? You mean, TRX, are we looking at the coin, or are we looking at... Because I know Tron's a coin, but TRX is not Tron. Like, TRX is it's a gold corporation. Sussed in England is like worked out. How do you know this? Dude, Jay, are you from England and I did not know? You have life sussed, man. I thought it was like life is suspect. You have life worked out, figured out. Foreigners. Dude, you're the foreigner, Jay. Come on, what are you talking about, foreigners? Thought on that thick green line. I love thick green lines, Fruit Bowl. Okay, so you have life figured out. Dude, you gotta say that. Otherwise, we're gonna be like, we've got life sussed. Yeah, what does that mean now? What does that mean? Coin. Dude, I think coins, yeah, I don't know. I think Tron's a decent play for the coin, but I also think that, I mean, any cryptocurrency is gonna be decent long term. I don't know about the coins like SafeMoon and stuff. I don't know if they've got a long-term future. But the coins that have been around, I believe are going to stay around. And I believe crypto's got a good future for, really, for all of it. So, I'm on with crypto. And, dude, if Tron's your thing, I say go with Tron. Yes, I'm English. JW, man, I had no idea. I had no idea. But you got life sussed. I like it. You've got life figured out. And, hey, like jack of all trades right there. Clay, where has Pennis been? He's been gone for a while. Fruit Bowl, I'm starting to get concerned that you're asking about him. You might be Mr. Pennis. We need one more of them thick green lines on the chart. We do need some thick green lines on the chart. Come on now, guys. We got this purple, thick purple line on the chart right here. It's going to play out very well. And that's going to be our trend line throughout the afternoon. I'm calling it now. Thanks for answering. Brian, absolutely. I would prefer laying dimes and then massaging. I would prefer laying dimes and then massaging hairy backs. Well, sometimes the hairy backs pay more, man. Think about that. That was a nice food combo, Clay, but it's cabbage and apple with katsu chicken and root vegetables again. So you were nearly there. Okay, nearly there. It sounds like I was 25% of the way there. But yeah, I think you should go with a big juicy burger instead of the chicken and cabbage. Cabbage and apple. Sounds delicious to me with a nice big burger. Man, can I come over for tea time tonight, Lauren? Because I'm getting hungry thinking about this right now. I had a daughter born with, oh my gosh, osteogenesis imperfecta, so I went back to school to help her. Very nice, Kelby. That's actually incredible, man. That's awesome. He hasn't been in here a while. Maybe it's just one big game of hide the sausage. It could be, Brett. It could be. Loved welding structural, though. There you go, man. Big up, Kelby. Absolutely, Ugandan Toad. Ugandan! Changed their profile picture. Very nice, Ugandan Toad. Clay, bro, if you're single, you need to ask... Listen, Lauren won't even make enough dinner for me. She lives all the way over in the UK. It's going to be difficult, American. Lauren lives across the pond, and until I get my helicopter, it's going to be awfully difficult. Ugandan Toad. Are you from Uganda? Or where are you at? Bouncing off the purple line because we made it even thicker. I like it. $46 incoming, guys. What did we test today? 46.20. The high 46.25 today. So it seems like we're going to have a decent level of resistance in this area right in here. So keep an eye out for this. Let's make that... No, let's just keep it that line. We can keep it that line. Or that color. That's good. Alright, so we break through that. We can have a run today, guys. I'm looking there. Hop on a plane. Food's ready in 30 minutes. I wish I could get there in 30 minutes. It might take a little longer. Glenn Lawrence sitting in a tree. Oh, yes. Okay, JW. Oh, yes on something. You need to move here to humid Ohio and hook them with it. American, it is very humid out here, isn't it? All hail the Hypno Toad. Hypno Toad, Ugandan Toad in the chat. Yes, after moving to. Let's see. After moving to Ohio, we're all moving to the moon. Yes, after we move to Ohio, we're moving to the moon. I hear the moon is a lot cooler than Ohio. And in the winter, it gets pretty cool here, guys. It gets very cool. 48.50. We just had 48.50. We just 48.50 and we run. Mark my words. No, dude, if we go to 48.50, if we pass 48.50, I think we're running too, man. I'm on you with that one, oil tip. I'm definitely on you with that one, man, because we've got... That's where the strongest level of resistance is in that $48 range. So we bust this area right in here. I'm excited about it. But this channel, look at this channel on the day, guys. Boom, 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 boom. You're day trading this channel. Boom, you're in, out, in, out, in. Maybe you stayed in there. And boom, out again. So these day traders, they've already had 3 entries and exits. If they do it again here at 46, we may watch it fall back down. And 45 to 46, man, that's $1 entry and exit each time. So we'll see if we break out of it and we continue higher. Hopefully we do, because if we do, I think we're testing 48. I think we're running. I think we could get a decent run in here. Let's see what it looks like on a 30-minute chart. Do we have a ton of resistance between there? See, this level is going to be significant in here in the $46 range, but if we run, I think we're going 48 again. Which I hope we do. Come on! No, green line. No red lines. We need a green line. We got to stay out of this channel here, and we got to move. Hey, bro, we're going to close green today. Alvin! Yes, we're going to close green today. It's going to be very nice. Brian. Psilocybin therapy stocks? I don't know, dude. Anytime you get into that stuff that sounds a little bit dangerous, if it's not for therapy, I'm not exactly sure that the mainstream's going to catch on with it. Could be a full green week. Don't quote me. Jay, if we get 5 green days in a row, that is going to be amazing. We haven't had 5 green days in a row since November of 2020, so keep that in mind. I don't know if it's been asked, but can the squeeze continue outside of regular market hours? Yeah, Sean, so it absolutely could. It could begin, it's not going to begin and end outside of regular trading hours. They're not going to find the volume that they need, but it could absolutely start outside of regular trading hours. But they're not going to find 80 million shares, like pre-market or post-market. That's just not going to happen for them. So I wouldn't be terribly concerned that you're going to miss it if you can't trade after hours. Bro, the level 2s are insane. The ask is massively higher than the bid. Bullish! Let's go. Antics, let's go, man. I want to see it run to 48 right now. Let's see. Sean, yes, it can. Thank you very much, Jay. Carmen Electra or Pam Anderson. Good question, Dusty. Good question. That's an age-old question right there. Nick, that's right. Claybrow and Lauren sitting in a tree eating cabbage and apple for tea. Oh, all right, now I've got new life goals, guys. I've got new life goals. I'm going to either invite Lauren to Ohio to sit in a tree and eat cabbage and apple for tea with me, or I'm going to the UK and we're going to be sitting in a tree eating cabbage and apple for tea. That sounds like a wonderful evening to me, and I know it would for you guys as well. Marianne or Ginger. What? Marianne or Ginger? I think I missed that one. Carmen all day. Oil Tipped has his mind made up. I am late, but I am here. Sam, we missed you, man. Why are you late? Oh, yeah. AMC slap my ass and make that price rise. Do it, Xavier, but I think you should slap AMC's ass and make the price rise, not the other way around. Dusty says, Carmen, yes, love is in the air. Oh, hey guys, I'm Carlos. I'm here now. Good, Carlos is here as well. I'm like, what are you, Carlos? Think bigger, think 80, not 48. My way. We do have to break through 48 before we get to 80, but I do think we're on for 80 as well once we break through 60. Or 60. Yeah, 60. Marianne or Ginger, it was the Gilligan's Island. Oh my gosh. Well, dude, American, you got me speechless on that one, man, because I cannot choose. I am here now. Everybody's showing up now. Big ups, Carlos. Big ups. Leben Tube says Marianne for sure. Elizabeth Taylor or Jean Harlow. All good questions, guys. All good questions. That's exactly like asking AMC or GME. How can you decide? It's your bro, Old At Sauce. What's up, Old At Sauce? Sama Hayat or Sofia Vergara? All day. I prefer my women to be Latina and curvy. Well, there you go, Antics. Colombia is going to work out very well for you. Oil tips. Got to get my candidates in there one way or another. Thomas, man, get them in. Get them in. If I had a nickel for every darn dime, I'd have half the time. If I had a nickel for every darn dime, I'd have half the time. What? Oh my gosh, Clay. Pimp AMC. Slap that. Yes, do it. Slap the ass on AMC, not the other way around. Back in the day, I liked what? I liked the gig Logan's Island Girls, but I just looked. Not my cup of tea. Dude, I thought for a second there, like Logan Paul had some side YouTube channel, Logan's Island Girls, and dude, I was gonna be like, I completely missed that one, but it sounds like something he would be interested in. So let's get started. All right, AMC, keep on running. 47, let's go. Let's go. You choose Gilligan? To be fair, oh no. Oil tips choosing Gilligan. 47, let's get it. Let's get it, Lauren. Come on, AMC, you can make a run. I need to proofread. Oil tips, I think you may. Yeah, sorry, I know. Logan's Island Girl sounds pretty cool, though. Who would you pick? Laverne or Shirley? Man, these are all excellent questions that nobody can answer. You guys make it so hard, guys. I don't understand why you make it so hard. Logan's Island Girls, I'd watch. That's what I'm saying, American. Hey, Logan Paul, shout out to you, man. If you're watching right now, I doubt you are. If you're watching right now, let's make it a thing. Logan's Island Girls. I believe that'd be on. You can involve me and Oil Tipped and get your boy Jake in there, and we can have a lot of fun doing it. So, Logan, if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Hey, sorry, some work. No! Then some fantasy research. How about a friend with an up-and-coming draft and need to be on point for him? Rocket, you got to help me, man. It's probably too late for me to get in with TMI and all those big boys, but dude, it sounds like you're like legit at this. Stephanie, is something happening in September regarding margin calls? Stephanie, I'm going to say no, okay? I'm going to say no, that we're not going to see tomorrow as a catalyst. However, tomorrow, apparently they're raising margin requirements from $10,000 to $250,000, so everybody thinks that all of the hedge funds are going to get margin called and then the squeeze is going to start. But listen, hedge funds are not dumb. They will come up with the money that they need to come up with. They will find it somehow, somewhere, even if it's over the rainbow. They're going to get it. So I wouldn't be terribly reliant on tomorrow and the updated margin requirements. Clay, I love that you actually talked about doing a market sell and not just a limit sell, because personally I could live with myself getting a bad fill, but I couldn't live with myself missing a limit. Sam Blow, man, that's what I'm talking about. And a lot of people, hey, either bad fill versus no fill. You got to choose bad fill over no fill. But if you know, those are the pros and cons, like the two major pros and cons of each one of those. So absolutely, guys, if you got to be prepared for the short squeeze, get it in there right now and get prepared. Clever September's looking good. Mario, it is definitely looking good. Yeah, I love her too from afar. Missed what we were talking about on that one. Need to pull out for finance assets. Well, you can. Good luck. Godspeed. Crab apple. Bodaciously bitters fruit. Okay. Need to pull out for finance assets. I don't know if you are pulling out of AMC, but good luck to you if you need those assets. And end of day price prediction 47.28. 47.28 is my end of day price prediction. I love chicken of the sea more. Okay, good morning, bros and broettes. What is up, Petey Pete? How you doing, man? Jessica Simpson or Britney Spears? 10 years ago. Ooh, dude. Ooh, 10 years ago, though. I don't know what they looked like. 10 years ago would have been 2011. I don't even know. What about 20 years ago? That, man, is that still, like, legit? 20 years ago? You go with that one? I'd take Skinny Jessica before kids over Crazy Britney. There you go, John. They probably try and cover on the short week after the 3-day weekend. Hey, it's very possible, man. Very possible. 4 hours for just 25 gallons. Oh my gosh. Nat, so glad you made it. Thank you for staying patient. Thank you for hanging out with us when you were doing that. And, I don't know, 25 gallons. Hopefully that lasts you guys a while, and you don't need to go take another trip to the gas station tomorrow, because that sounds like a full-time job, just going to the gas station these days. Oh, yeah, Jessica Simpson, back when she said, is chicken of the sea chicken or fish? Simpson, he can't do it, man. He can't type today. Sup, Clay, bro? Where are you rolling? Miso, where am I rolling? Is that slang for something? End of day, 79.88. Let's do it my way. If we go 79.88 by the end of the day, you got a shirt for free, dude. I'll hook you up. Betty White, the Queen, and Ryan Reynolds, F1, marry one and kill one. Oh my gosh. I cannot answer. Jay is on it. Very, very good there. He had no time to think about that. He's already played this game, Sam. Jay has already played this game multiple times, and he had his answers ready. He was just looking for this moment. Clay, I think you're right. We'd have to go back to 20, not 10 years for Spears and Simpson. I keep forgetting I'm 41 now. Well, America, we got to go back 20 years then, man. Because I'm thinking, 2011. I don't even know what they were doing in 2011. Whoever predicts closing price and it's off will be known as not know the darn prices, as Natalie says. That is, but 11-11 Simon, that might be just for you, man. I don't know, because we didn't end at 43.13 yesterday. Is that what you were saying? 43.13? Ryan is a no question. We are all for Ryan. Man, Ryan Reynolds, if you're watching right now, this chat is for you, man. You need to hang out with us at some point. Ripple, 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 Ripple. Andre likes Ripple. Good deal, man. Nick F making sure they get the blame for something or telling them. Dang, man, I didn't even see what Nick F had to say. I didn't even see what Nick had to say. Darn it. Amy, baby, don't let me down. Come on. So Amy is now AMC. Apparently, man, I don't know where that came up, who came up with that, but I missed that. Well, you guys gotta yell at AMC and call it Amy. So I missed it. Glad I know it now. Especially if he makes fun of me while we do it. The Hudsons, very interesting. Now everybody knows what you're into, man. Hey, Clay, does it make sense to buy AMC now, which is going to bring my average up to approximately 33? Mark, if you bring your average up to 33, man, you're still on the green. So that's what I like. If you buy it now, look, you're buying it on a potential breakout right here. We're using this $46 line as potential support now that we broke through it. And if we do that, we can continue to run. And in the long term, man, yeah, it makes sense to buy it now because we're bouncing off support. If we break down a little bit and continue down further, okay, you might get a better entry price. I don't know what your current average is, but you might get a better entry price. But like long term overall, I don't think that 46 is going to be... This isn't the peak of the squeeze. So I think we've got so much more potential than just $46 per share. So yes, it is always nicer to have a lower average. But with that being said, if you're holding for a short squeeze, I don't think you're going to be disappointed with getting in at 46, at 42, at 48, at 35. It's not going to make a drastic difference overall, but that's just my thought process. So you could get a better entry at 45. If we break down through this line and we test this level of support again, you could get a better entry down here at 45. If you don't want to get in today, You got to see what happens, but you might be up in the 50s by the end of the week. I just sent you a DM clarifying who said it. Okay, with the Amy thing. I saw that too. I think they called Amy to confuse the hedge funds. Interesting. I'm going to have to say against the grain and say marry the queen. That's a lot of jewelry. There you go, Brett. Marry the queen. That's a lot of jewelry, man. Lower natural right Cled never understands your translations, pronunciations. Well, I missed what you said or something. I don't know. I had to have missed what you said. Making sure they get the blame for something or telling them. I don't even know. Made more money yesterday. I want to buy more, but afraid I missed out on the dip. What do you think, Clay, bro? Petey Pete, man. I'm sorry. I missed that one. I was too busy worried about someone getting it on with Ryan Reynolds or whatever was going on with that. Are we talking about AMC or you talking about a different stock, man? And good job making more money yesterday. That's awesome, dude. Definitely to 5,000. Let's do it, David. Is AMC going over 300? Hey, Lewis, I think AMC could go over to 300. If everybody holds out like they say they're going to, I think we could. J Bro is what? In the Mickey flick? What? In this Mickey flick? Interesting. I know. Do you understand me? Nick F doesn't understand you. Nick F doesn't understand anything. Come on now. What would Nick F understand about the British language? Nothing. He doesn't understand no British accents. Sam Blow, would you... You guys are crazy, man. Oh, my God. Ah, the Hudsons, you guys. I don't know where this conversation is going, so we just got to always... Never! Nick F. never understands. Come on, Lauren. Don't feed into that nonsense. Don't feed into that nonsense. Did Nick F understand? Working on a banger of a guest on the channel right now. Wish me luck. Good luck on that banging guest. Hopefully you get a banging guest on the channel, man. Oh, Claybro is absolutely the highest you see AMC going. You know, I have no idea, Thomas. I'm just going to be completely honest, man. I have no idea how high AMC will go. The potential is unlimited if everybody holds out, but I really don't think that everybody's going to hold out. I would love to see $1,000 per share. Clearly, we can go much further than that, much lower than that. It all depends on what all of you guys do. Is in the hypothetical world where they haven't happened already? Yes. That hasn't happened already? Yes. Oh God, Sam, you're awesome, man. Oil Tips, you know I'll be watching. Me too. I was hanging out with Oil Tips last night. I'm sure every single one of you know him. Very nice. Clay, who needs a Lambo when we have these? Well, we got 1111 Simon. Now I see it. Oh, yeah, dude. We need one of those little whale-looking submarine things. I want one of those. I want one of those for sure. That thing looks awesome. I'd get that. How much does that cost? Must have 6+ digits. Many out there with less than 100 shares need to make millionaires out of them too. Best for society. Well, dude, I don't know if that would be best for society to make everybody millionaires. But yeah, if we need 6 digits for AMC to go up to, it's not gonna be easy. I sure hope we get it, but it won't be easy. Well, that was fast. I'm not a banger. Oil Tipped. Take me to dinner first, at the very least. Come on, Rocket has class. Let's go. Max Bets. Clay, this will be life-changing money. Don't let the wife know because she will take your AMC squeeze money when... No, we can't have that happening. Come on now, Max. Guest confirmed. Absolutely, Rockets. You're worth much more. Guest confirmed. Good deal. 3 more subs to my channel, and I'll reveal in here. Guys, AMC Vigilante, 3 more subscribers. He's going to tell us who is the guest on his channel. I think your Purple 9 needs to be thicker. It can't. It can't, though. I have to double line it if we need to get thicker. We could do something. We could double line it and make it thicker that way. Now it's thicker. Oh, yes. Alright, now it's a little bit thicker. True diamond hams are tested in green times. Yes, finally a stream that isn't Matt Core. Skype. What's going on, man? Glad you're in here. Who is Society, and why do I care how much he makes on the squeeze? Exactly, man. Who is Society, and why are you making all of this money? We need to know. Date and time hasn't been worked out yet, but it is coming in hot. Rocket, take more off for $1.99. But down and out, down, but down and out, down. Rocket, that one was for you, man, and it's going back on already because $1.99, man. I don't know. It doesn't get you much these days. BBIG is done, in my opinion. It might be, Omar. I'm not exactly sure what you think about support in BBIG. I think they're quick runners, and I don't know if they're going to be able to last. And they're certainly not AMC, all right? Natalie is here. Good afternoon, Clay, and everyone. What's going on, Natalie? So glad to have you in here. Alicia's back. Oh, Sam was so worried about you, Alicia. Sam was so worried. Clay, Daddy, I'm going to listen to your not advice while I go have a shower. Okay, good deal, Alicia. Just leave the phone either on the side of the shower or somewhere away from the water because the last thing you want is a wet Samsung. So listen to us, have some fun while you go take that shower and enjoy it. Make sure you scrub behind the ears. Natalie, whole gang in here now. Yes, BBIG is trash. All right, she's back. Yes, Sam says Alicia is. We were worried about you, Alicia. We were. And that's like past tense of word. 90% AMC, 10% AQST. Nothing else for this ape. Trey's Subway Cup. Nice, man. AQST is going to run for you. I know it will. I want Sam to be. Well, the Samsung should not be wet. It doesn't function properly when the Sam is wet. 2 more subs. Let's go. The AMC Vigilante on YouTube. What up, Clay? What's up, Britt? How are you? Strip trading. Every percent is an article of clothing. Let's do it, Kelby. Let's do it. And we got to make sure that the percentage down comes off, percentage up goes back on. How's that game work? That would actually be a pretty interesting OnlyFans channel right there. Strip trading, like that would be a very interesting OnlyFans channel. I mean, shoot. It goes up. It goes up. You get to put it back on. Comes down, and either way, you're gonna be happy then. Up day, like green days, red days, everybody's happy. People DM me on Twitter when I'm in calls like, "Are you going to speak? Are you going to speak?" Oil tip, that's what we need to know. Nope, I lurk in those calls. Crypto Rocketeer's like, nah, you might be on to something, Clay, bro. Nah, you might be on to something. The real question is, how do you get that bread so clean? My bread? Dude, I'd never showed any bread on here. I don't even know. Brett, his dream of seeing you take off them socks. Brett got his dream. Yes, Brett got his dream thanks to Rocket. It happens, man. Dreams come true in Clay Bros chat. I actually sing better when I'm wet. Thank you very much. Well, there you go, Sam. Singing in the shower, man. How would you know when the shorts have covered? Like there's live free stock tracker website you recommend? Unknown. So, no, you're not going to know for a fact that the shorts have covered in real time. Unless you trust Ortex's estimated data, and remember that it's an estimate, then you could use that to determine whether or not the shorts are covering or have been covered. Now, the best you're honestly going to know is what they could be doing. And I know it's difficult to make a decision on what could be happening, but that's the best you're honestly going to have during the short squeeze. Clay got that dishwasher safe bread. Oh, yeah, man. The dishwasher safe bread is what you got to go with. I breathe better underwater. Oil tipped. Interesting. Lauren doing well. Hopefully AMC continues to go up today. It was nice to be in the green for a hot second. Yes, it is always... You're in the 46s, right? 46-something, and I'm doing good. Thanks. How are you? Absolutely. 46-something. So we're going to get you back in the green, Natalie. It's going to be good. Any Sam Hyde respecters in chat? Sam, would you like to sing with me in the shower? I want a duet. Okay, well, I feel like Sam and Alicia are going to have a great afternoon today. And, hopefully they don't take their phones in there because that's just going to be dangerous. Wet Samsungs are not good. Check out Elon tweet about OnlyFans. Playmaker, I saw that. The dark side of OnlyFans. Is that what you're talking about? The dark side of OnlyFans tweet? Is it's not like a 22%. I swear I missed something scrappy. Sorry, man. Ortex data is always like 2 days back. Oh, okay, Ortex data is always 2 days behind. And hey, whether or not you think it's just behind or whatever, the only way to know is to see what they're actually reporting, and that comes out like twice a month. So, like, looking at those numbers, you're going to be delayed on what's actually being reported. So that's why Ortex looks at the borrow rates and all of that and tries their best to determine how many short shares would still be outstanding. Are they accurate? To a certain degree, probably. Are they dead on? No, they're not dead on. Who am I to turn down a duet? There you go. Alicia, you've got your answer. Review Dork will be gracing my channel with his presence and knowledge. You want to know some great ideas and more money opposed to mother of all short squeezes? I'll tweet the date and time soon. Very nice, oil tipped. Very nice. Let's see here. Buy volumes would be very, very, very high during the squeeze. Jarrett, yes. Same as they were, if not even higher than what we saw back in June when we were trading 700 million shares a day. Buy volumes will be extremely high, extremely high, because you're not only going to have short shares being covered, you're going to have FOMO buyers jumping in. You're going to have day traders going crazy. You're going to have algorithms and the high frequency traders going crazy. Everybody's going to want a piece of the action, and everybody's going to try and get a piece of the action. Has Marge called yet? Not yes. Yes, the dark side. Yeah, Playmaker. I saw that. I saw that tweet this morning. Hey, Clay, bro, trying to learn candlestick patterns and etc. If you're efficient at reading them, what are you seeing at the moment in this flag setup? I'm feeling as it's kind of bullish. Not gonna lie, dude. Listen. I don't care too much about 1 minute charts at all. I just keep a 1 minute chart on here because it's a little bit more interesting to watch as it ticks by and go on from there. But I'm not seeing, and dude, even if I did see something on a 1 minute chart, I'm not terribly concerned about it. More or less in this area and on this 1 minute chart that we've got on the screen, I'm just looking at the range, this channel between $46 and $45. I mean, it's really playing out today. Boom, 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 boom. This channel, this sideways channel that we got between support at 45 and resistance at 46 is going to surpass any candlestick pattern that you've got on the day. Daily candlesticks, I would rather use those, and longer term candlesticks, I would rather use those than any 1 minute candle. Bull flag and cup and handle are the only patterns that exist now. Skype, those are definitely the only patterns that exist on YouTube. Alicia, it sounds perfect. I already have lots of covers on my Instagram, and we can make shower ones for the OnlyFans live stream now. There you go, man. There you go. Business is born. Sam, we can get an honor box and start our own channel for Clay Daddy to see because yes. There you guys, you just got to get those waterproof cases, and you're going to be on. So, Sam, Alicia, if that sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started, right? Sounds like something a lot of people would be interested in, and so let's get started. Thanks for the opinion. You're right, looking back to the 1 to 3 minute charts aren't much help long term. No, yeah, you know, and I don't know. A lot of people, I've seen some people, I don't know if it was in TMI stream earlier or if it was Matt Core's stream, but people are like, "Oh my god, 1 minute candles are useless. Go back to a 5 minute at the minimum or an hour." Guys, you know, we're on YouTube here. We're watching some movement. We're not sitting here looking at technically day trading AMC, looking for patterns or any of that. So it's fun to keep the 1 minute on the graph just so we can see what's happening and we get a little bit of excitement. So I don't know if you're in the chat right now and you're like, "I would never use a 1 minute." Well, you probably would use a 1 minute if you were on screen and everybody wants to see the action as fast as possible. Clay, I need 46.62 to break even. How about a line on your chart for me today? Oh, Natalie, I will keep a line on my chart for you every day. 46.62. 46.62 right here. Natalie going to break even when we go above this line. Let's see. What color does Natalie like? Natalie, I believe, likes yellow. I don't know if she does or not. 46. Dang, she was positive on 1 cent today. Nice. That's your break even, Natalie. Let's get it. How about AMC stock? Because I need to buy a new car. Scrappy, good deal. I use the 1 minute chart every single day. Yeah, but you're not trading AMC, are you? Like, do you use the 1 minute chart to trade? Because I feel like if you're using 1 minute chart, you're definitely going to, you're going to be in and out a lot, man. So Matt Kors, your nemesis. Ooh, Gone and Toad, changing his picture again. No, Matt Kors is not my nemesis. Do I have a nemesis? Does anybody out there want to claim to be my nemesis? Because I don't even know if I have one. If I do, it might be kind of cool, but I don't know if I have one. We're only 25 cents away from the promised holy price. Yes, 69.69. Very nice, Xavier. We'll get it one day. Sam, bet Clay Daddy can't guess what I'll use as a microphone. Your phone? That's what I use as my microphone. Ping, ping, ping. This cabbage and apple is impeccable today, I have to say. Lauren, I need some of this cabbage and apple. Did you take a picture of it? Send me a picture. I need to show everybody this apple and cabbage so they know that you're eating something good and not just eating cabbage and apple together, which sounds weird. Frank, what's up, Frank? Market Combat, hedgies like clowns. We all short the float down here. Oh, no. Come on now. Don't be clowns, hedge funds. Come on. Xavier with the pink apes. Good deal. No, I had hold for 6 months now. Well, there you go, Scrappy. Holding for 6 months. I like it. You're on board with the rest of us in here. Alicia, one of those back scrub brushes? Most likely either one of those or your cell phone is the microphone. Shampoo bottle, possibly. I am your nemesis. Luke, why are you my nemesis? I thought you were my father. I'll do it. Do it, man. Do it. Someone needs to be the new... Okay, not know the darn prices. That's you all day, Simon. All day. Right there with you, Nat. 4660, been red since June. Lucas, how's it feel, man, that you're about to be green? Day traders? More like day traders. Yes. Clay, Lauren is really pitching her cooking. Sounds like I can't. And listen, it sounds delicious, actually. I want to try it. I'll get the recipe from you. No recipe, man. You just cut up an apple, you cut up some cabbage, and then you put it in a pan together. That's what I'm thinking. Clay, we're close to 46 today. I'll cook you a freaking duck. Tim, man, cook me that duck. I need some of it. Love you, son. Love you too, father. Love you too. Kelby, thank you for the super chat. Kelby says, we have all the solutions. They have equations. People of intelligence need this. Poem I wrote, take the first letter of each word for the message. What the? What's the point? What's the point? I like it, Kelby. Very good poem. And listen, I know it took me a second there to get all of that, so thank you for bearing with me. But Kelby, very good. We have all the solutions. They have equations. People of intelligence need this. I like that poem, dude. I like that poem. What's the point? What's the point, guys? Lucas Jones, let's go. Let's go. What did Lucas say? I don't even know what Lucas said. Missed that one. Sorry. Natalie, Skeptic was probably right. After seeing him pump SPRT and then selling it, talking it down on a live stream is not okay. Clearo, will we squeeze? Yeah, J86. Why wouldn't we squeeze? You don't think we're going to squeeze? AMC, like, we've already squeezed to a certain extent where we were at $2 per share. We're sitting at $46 per share right now. We just haven't seen the short squeeze yet. Crypto Matt Kors is a nice guy. Of course I am right. Sam is going to get squeezed soon. Not able to say when AMC will. Sam, man. I wish you luck, my friend. I wish you luck. It sounds like you may need it, and you've got your work cut out for you. So good luck to you in the future, sir. I hope that everything pans out the way that you wish it would, and that you, like your predecessors before you, do not cry post-squeeze, because I feel like it may be emotional. At least I'm starting to think you're not really trying to sing a duet with me. I think she might be trying to sing a duet. I don't know. Oh my gosh, Jennifer's in here. Hello, Jennifer. Jennifer only says hello to me in my chat. She doesn't say hi to me in anybody else's chat. Thank you very much, Jennifer, for making my day today. Hey, Clay, how do you compare these times to the days it hit $70? Cass888. I believe that the days we hit $70, we had a lot less resistance in ahead of us. Now we've got a lot more resistance ahead of us, so it's not going to be as easy to hit $70. We got to break through a lot of levels of resistance first. I lost my trust in MK, unfortunately, once he paper-handed. Always a paper hand. No, you're lying. No, I am not lying, Jennifer. You made my day today. Thank you for saying hi to me. Huge stress relief watching you at work. Great mood today. Lucas, great mood always in here. Clay, have you watched... No. So, 1111 Simon. I have watched... maybe 2 of his videos, but it has been a very, very long time since I've seen him ranking on anywhere. So, like, if I go to watch AMC videos, I typically watch a little bit of everybody that's ranking in search to see what they got going on. And I have not seen Ape Andy in quite some time. Oh, God, I think the 40-year-old might have died now. No, don't die, don't die. We need him back. Clay, bro, we appreciate you and love you for educating us and keeping us cool, calm, and collected. D-Boy, man, I appreciate you for being in here. Thanks for hanging with us. Alicia, I can't say for sure what happened to him, but 41 will be different than 40. And she laughs like she's got the evil laugh afterwards. Alicia's crazy, man. I don't know. Sam, you may have met your match, man. I don't know with this one, but I also thought that you guys were just going to be singing a duet and then opening up your own channel. How long before we get to 60? Jay, we got to break through several levels of resistance, but 60 is going to be extremely significant. We got $45, $48. Well, we're above 45 now. $48. We've got $50, $55, and then we go on for 60. But 55 to 60 is going to be a tough range to get through. Okay, time to soap up. Alicia, thank you for letting us all know. You got to stay clean, guys. Alicia hit me up for some serious karaoke invites only on Instagram. Yeah, there you go. Cardio blows. I like it, man. Get those karaoke vibes going. Thanks, Clay. It really helps. Absolutely, Cass. Looking forward to it all, man. You got to look forward to your 40s. Here's to our 40s, guys. Let's look forward to it. The moon feels close. Lisa May Loveless. The moon does feel close, doesn't it? If we break through a new high, I feel like it's our choice what we do with it from there on, and I think we're gonna be doing very well. What's up, my bros? What's up? Oh, sorry, I'm 40. Alicia's ready to go, man. In a short time, Scrappy. If we, I look back a little while, we have grown up like $7. Yeah, man, we've gone $7 in quite a short time. We ran from 38 to 48 in an extremely short amount of time. What day was that? Last Wednesday or something? It was last week someday. Hey, I'll take the 6% gains every day. Let's go. Yeah, I mean, just imagine if we have a nice, steady 6% gain every day until the end of the squeeze. Like, that's going to be beautiful. Can't wait to escape from Utah. Why don't you like Utah, Kelby? Come on. I'm 2 years deep in my 40s. Life is good. Guys, if you're in your 40s, if you're in your 50s, in your 60s, is life still good? 30s are good. I'm telling you right now. 30s are good. 20s were good. Are the 40s, 50s, 60s, and 70s? What's the oldest person we have in here? Is life good? Let us know. Let us in on the secret of life right now. I know we're like an AMC channel, but we could just get the secrets of life going right now. 23. Oh, sorry, it's 23, and it's still good in the 23s, right? Also 40s. Lisa May Loveless, very nice. Mormon country is no fun. Why not, Kelby? Why not? It sounds fun to me. Yeah, so 41, all right, 30, very nice, Kelby. I'm 32, pretty sure I'm 32. I was born in 89, does that make me 32? Natalie, you are not 84. Slipper Jones in the house, guys. Welcome Slipper Jones back. Where you been, my man? Well, it'll be 30 on September 8th. You still got a little bit of time, Kelby. You got a couple days before you get there. Jennifer, 46. 40s are good, right, Jennifer? They gotta be. They gotta be good. I think they're whatever you make them, 46 and halfway to death. Come on, Crypto Rocketeer. No way. More gardening, more cats, live under your means, and no stress. There you go, Alicia. Word for the wise. AMC influencers should have a minimum 90% of their portfolio on it. Otherwise, you're just pumping it. I feel like that's the opposite, man. I feel like that's the opposite. why would I be pumping it if I had less than 90% of my portfolio in it? Because I'm not gonna lie, dude. I don't have more than 90% of my portfolio in AMC. 90% of your portfolio is a risky play. I still want to recommend diversifying your portfolios to everybody. But for those that do have 90+% of their portfolio in AMC, I know you're doing extremely well right now. Oil Tipped, for example, absolutely killing it. And he definitely has, what did you say the other day, man? Like 97%? It's some drastically high percentage in there. Can you say brown chicken, brown cow really fast? Brown chicken, brown cow. Yeah, man, brown chicken, brown. It's like brown chicken, brown wow. I like it, Daniel. A brown chicken, brown cow. Secret of life is to have a short memory. You know, in a sense, yeah, I can get that in a sense. You live and you move on. Bad things happen, you move on. Clay's 89.9% of his portfolio in AMC. And there you go. Now I don't feel like I have to pump things up because I get 89% of my portfolio, or 89.9% of my portfolio. And there you go. You can smell them? I missed it, man. Keep powdered donuts in your vehicle when you pulled over and ask why they pulled you over and you respond. That is bad life advice, Oil Tipped. That is bad life advice. That might not work out very well for you. Retirement, crypto, savings, SE, Apple, and AMC. There you go, Jennifer. There you go. Staying diversified. Bastille, 100% in AMC. Very nice. AMC is my one and only hold, baby. Sam is very, very much a YOLO play. And Philip, I know Philip YOLO'd his retirement and is doing very well at this point. I don't know about all that grandma has dementia and she doesn't seem fun. And dude, at a certain point, the short-term memory is going to be detrimental if it's that short-term. Worked for me. He laughed. Warning. As long as you followed up with a warning, okay? 95.7% of my portfolio in AMC. Very good. And it's working out very well for you, isn't it, Oil? 54 with 3,000 shares. Life is about to get a whole lot better. Ron. Guys, I don't know all of your situations, right? But if you're, I don't know, if you're in your 50s and you're working a job that you kind of like and you're thinking about retiring early 60s, right? And you're almost there and maybe you're upper 50s. Are you going to retire early with AMC or are you just going to pad your account and then continue working? Assuming you are at a job or you're in a career that you actually enjoy doing. I want to know that because I feel like if you're in your 20s, you're going to need a lot of money. But I feel like if you're right around retirement age anyway, then you're much closer. And you're going to be a lot more tempted just to say, all right, I'm out. How high do you think AMC will go? To leak flows. I sure hope it goes above $1,000 per share. At Tinder top picks, huh? Now I know why they call you Oil Tipped. And see me on Tinder top picks. You might have also... You guys are crazy. You guys are crazy, man. I would retire or just work part-time. Jennifer, very nice. Very nice. Because I feel like it's, much more accessible if you're already close. Because you're thinking about that anyway. If there aren't synthetics, why do I own 500 million shares and the volume is so high? Very good question, Brett. I often wonder the same thing about my portfolio. If I own 500 million shares, how are so many shares being traded today if I'm not trading any of them? Retired at 35 already, and I'm 42 chilling. Very nice, ED. Oh my gosh, retired at 35 and 42 straight chilling. I like it. If it goes to 1,000, I'm laughing. Me too. I'm gonna be loving it. I'm a CNC programmer. I like it, but forget it. I would just retire and play the stock market. 1111 Simon. There you go. And you know what? I don't know. I forget how old you said you were, but yeah, guys, there's nothing wrong. If you enjoy what you're doing, there's absolutely nothing wrong with continuing to do what you enjoy doing. Or if you know what you want to do, but you can't make that transition right now because you need the stable income, you need to stay at your job for some reason, you've got those bills, you need to pay them off. Post squeeze, whether you have I don't know, let's say you don't end up with $1 million, but you do have a sick portfolio that you can generate a good $1,000, $2,000 a month in your portfolio. Supplemental income can provide you that freedom to finally do what you want to do. Because there's a lot of people that wouldn't want to just sit around the house all day, watch The Price is Right, and eat those powdered donuts that Oil Tipped was talking about. So it all depends. You got to find out what you want to do, and then make money doing that too. Slides aren't the firearms, so you don't need to be in it. I have no idea what we're talking about on that one there. You're still working though, Vigilante. Don't get that. I quit a lot less behind me, but I'm just a dumb ape. Sending you 16 Glock slides. Okay. 11 years less in the country, in the county job until retirement. I will retire early if AMC goes to the moon. I only have 116.4 shares though. Very nice, Scott. Very nice. I will stop doing construction to become a mountain bike and snowboard instructor. Guide with my 14-year. Hey, the Hudsons. That's the kind of stuff that I'm talking about too. You know what I mean? You can still make a good amount of money, but that's a much more. That's like a much riskier endeavor to go out there and decide to. I don't even know what they call it, but like a guide, you say. You can teach people how the techniques of mountain biking. You can teach them how to do that stuff, especially if you're good at it. But if you're going to get there, you may have to trade a stable income for what your passion in life is. But if you've got AMC to generate a stable income post-squeeze, and you don't have to worry about generating that income at a job, you can take that risk and finally follow what you want to do. Soldier, it doesn't pay well. Missed it. Using my profits from AMC to expand my marijuana grow building to 2,500 square feet. EDT, very nice. Come on, mods. WTF, I missed it. Don't know if you were getting blocked or what, Gatsby. Sorry. After the AMC stock squeeze, if want to party with my friends, scrappy, man. Party with your friends post-squeeze if that's what you want to do. Clay, how long are you hoping to see 1,000? Are we taking months or years? Blissful and beyond. That all comes down to, like, how soon people are going to be willing to hold this stock and stop trading it. If I make $20 on AMC, I will quit my job. There you go, Sam. Quit it after $20, man. I had a dream last night. The stock hit 88.88. Orange Folius. I hope it does. What's wrong? I don't know. What's wrong there? Great Gatsby in the house, baby. I help handicap people. It's not about the money. Ice cream. Exactly. And you know what? If that's what you're going to continue doing post-squeeze, excellent, man. Excellent. Watching from Cancun, Dennis. Talking from Ohio. Cancun, is it nice down there? 100,000 is the floor. Gatsby, if we can make it to 100,000, that is going to be absolutely amazing. Post-squeeze, can I party here with everyone? Yes, Vesteel, absolutely. Post-squeeze, we got to get that backyard barbecue going. Only green names get to eat, though. Gray names can just hang out and talk. Maybe I can get in trouble if I machine those. I'm not sure because I think machining that is illegal now. I have no idea what you're talking about machining. Sorry, man. I must have missed part of that conversation, Simon. We hit 88.88 on its way to the 1,000. Yeah, 88.88. I don't know if it'll ever close at 88.88, but that sounds like a pretty significant number that people may be looking at. I feel like it's so close to 100, though, that I feel like they would definitely tap 100 before they would stop at 88.88. I've taught and guided snowboarding on the weekend for 20 years, and my daughter is a pro-level mountain biker who loves instructing. Very nice, Hudson. Very nice. If you can make that full-time, that would be great. Or, continue to do it part-time and just not worry about the income at that point. Bitcoin, $1 billion in a few months. Alf, I don't think that Bitcoin's going to be $1 billion in a couple months. But if it is, it'll be a very high market cap. Machining firearms. Gotcha, Sam. Yeah, I don't know any other laws regarding that. Yo, post-squeeze, I will also be throwing a party with all of my friends. We all need to know this. We all need now is the squeeze and to make some friends. Yeah, all we need now is to have the squeeze and make some friends. So we all want that post-squeeze party with our friends, but none of us have any friends, and we haven't had the squeeze yet. So 2 requirements, and we have yet to have those 2 requirements. Marcelo says 1,700 shares. I'm 51. Just came back from the Virgin Islands. Life is good, and it will be better. Go AMC, Marcelo. Very nice. Clay, have you been a gamer, or are you a gamer? No, dude. No. The extent of my gaming went to Nintendo 64. That was like the gaming days. And then I do have a PlayStation 3 that the laptop is currently sitting on. Sitting on the PS3 box, and the PS3 is in the box. But I would not consider myself a gamer, man. Greetings from Arizona. I have 430 shares, holding strong, not selling until life-changing money. That is what I'm talking about. Charge credit cards, buy stocks. Okay, good. Numerology in 8888. Anybody, any big numerology fans out there waiting for the squeeze while I'm deployed in Kosovo? Kingsley. Okay. So hopefully we get that squeeze soon then. Lose followers and clear rows are the first to exit. Listen, man. Since you seem to have a problem with, realistically exiting the position at some point, I hope that you never exit AMC and that you get to wait until 100,000 comes. When we get to 99,000 and $999 and the rest of us exit our positions and walk away with millions of dollars, you can continue to wait for your limit order to get filled at $100,000 per share. And, maybe one day, 438 years from now, you'll get there. Clay, just want to remind you that this is a great live cast, always highly entertaining. Appreciate you, bro. Johnstontown, appreciate you, man. Maybe more than your third grade teacher appreciated you. Where's AMC headed to? Up. Where's AMC headed to? Up. Natasha, AMC is always going up. My name 1111. What you think about numerology? 1111, is it good? 1111 good? I don't know anything about numerology, man. Interest rate going negative today. Oh, no. We got some deflation coming on. What's going on with that? We keep getting rejected at 46. Yeah, John, we got some decent levels of resistance at 46. We can pull that back out and take a look at this channel we've been in all day here. Oh, no. Okay, well, we don't even need that anymore. We've been in this channel all day long. Oh my goodness. This yellow line here is Natalie's break even. So this is all we need to close above today, is this yellow line. I want to close with Natalie in the green today. That's it. It's now a good time to buy. Yeah, if you're in it for the short squeeze, you can definitely buy now. If not, then I wouldn't buy at all if you're not in it for the short squeeze. Kyle, man, mahalo, brother. Aloha kakahiaka. Thank you very much for the super chat. And he also says, happy birthday, Natalie. Listen, one more time for Natalie, because since we missed it on Sunday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Natalie. Happy birthday to you. Mahalo, Kyle. Thank you very much for the super chat. I appreciate that. Aloha kakahiaka is good morning in Hawaiian, if you did not know what that meant. Good morning to you, Kyle. Hopefully you're having a great day so far, man. Buy milk companies, stocks, gallon of milk going to $20. And they could be going to $1 million, man, if nobody wants to sell their milk. Clean, Clay Daddy, we are all friends. You are hosting a party for us over at the Melt. Yes, we are all friends, Alicia, and we're going to have a party here pretty soon, aren't we? Clay, absolutely, Natalie. It's all for you, Natalie. This is all for you. It's 147 shares of AMC enough. Enough for what? Positive Felinus? Enough for what? What a singing voice you have, man. Scrappy legit. Singing voice is scrappy and legit. Bye. 11 Simon. Yeah, so I left 667. I don't know what we left 667. Technically, it would have been 66666 repeating, so you did the right thing by rounding up, Natalie. Yes, you did. Yes, you did, Natalie. Thank you. Party time. If you make 4664, you got a winner. Yeah, we got to bust above 46.62, though, because that's Natalie's break even. Exactly. Mama didn't raise no fool. Mama didn't raise no fool. Good deal. $1 a day keeps the hedges away. Rudy. Yes. $1 a day will keep the hedge funds away, and we do not want any hedge funds here, guys. Saw Natalie on Twitter. I was going to follow her, but my baby mama would have been like, who the fool is that girl? Oh, no. It's Natalie. That's who it is. Come on, baby mama. What are you talking about? It's Natalie. This guy's got to follow Natalie and Lauren on Twitter. If you don't already, what are you doing? Come on now. Natalie and Lauren on Twitter. where it's at, guys. What's your predictions for this week? $48. I want to test $48 this week, Callie. I hope we break it. Natasha, who the fool is that girl? Oh my gosh. Kyle, it's all right though, man. You can blame it on me. You can just blame it on me. 47 to close. Oh man, I hope so, A-Rod. I want to be above 46.62 today. I'm 74 shares short of 500. Payday is Thursday. Adding more. John Choice, 500 your goal. What are you going to end at, man? I have maybe 3 followers on Twitter. Kelby, I'm one of them. I'm one of them, Kelby. Natalie, Clay said he would buy you one of my kittens for your birthday. Yes, I did say that I would buy Natalie one of the kittens for her birthday, but the dogs, Natalie's dog, said no, she doesn't need any kittens. She's got us. So, sorry, Alicia. I offered, but Natalie declined. Some people say you can squeeze to like $100,000. I believe that's hard to believe. Listen, man, it is hard to believe, right? Because the only thing that's going to keep us from getting there is the temptation. And if people get tempted and get out, it won't go to 100. If people stay in, it could go to 100. And that's the big difference. I don't think that 100,000 is going to be easy by any means. I mean, think about that, guys. That's an insane amount of money per share. Not going to be easy. But, you know, in theory, it's there. If we all hold, we don't sell back, they have to buy regardless of the price, then it goes up. And I want to say, Thomas, thank you for subscribing to the channel. I appreciate that. Guys, I don't know if somebody subscribed to the channel right now that has not subscribed to the channel. I believe there's got to be people out there who have not subscribed. So subscribe. Because Thomas subscribed 10 hours ago. So I don't know if Streamlabs just isn't updating or if it literally has been 10 hours since somebody subscribed to the channel. What's their Twitter handle? I don't know. What's your Twitter handle? Playmaker's going to go follow you guys. Natalie, Lauren. What's your Twitter handle? Oh, okay. All right. Scrappy Legit. We are talking about cats again. Oh, yes, we are. We always make our way back. Natalie, someday you and the dogs will join the team. I have tailless cats, too, so no risk for a chomp. I've never seen a tailless cat. What in the world is a tailless cat? Bitcoin, the highest price a stock share has reached. No. No, Blissful. So Berkshire Hathaway is an extremely high-priced stock. But guys, there's only like 600,000 shares of Berkshire Hathaway outstanding. So it just all depends on what the company is worth. But don't value AMC based on what it's worth. Michael Scott, thank you very much for the super chat. Michael says, still confused about how many apes will get to sell. Help me understand. You're the only ape not going to be disappointed with a $350 peak. So man, let's say we do peak at $350, right? Which I don't think that I do think we could pass that, right? But let's just say that out of all 500 million shares that are outstanding right now, only 80 million, 90 million need covered. Let's just say 100 million need covered to make it kind of easy. So 100 million shares are going to be covered, and there's 500 million share owners out there. How is it possible that you will be able to sell your shares? I'll show you. And I kind of want to do a video on this, but I can't really do one with my screen recording this. This computer's so old, it just doesn't want to screen record right, and then it takes forever to render. So if we go back out to Webull and we look at this, this is going to answer your question, man. So days like this, the squeeze happens. Sure, only 100 million shares are going to need to be covered. But squeeze maybe starts, okay? We run up. We start to break a new high. Watch the volume right in here, in this area, right up here. You have 375 million shares being traded. You have 700 million shares being traded. You have 650 million shares being traded. Even this day right here, where we got a little doji candle, 470 million shares being traded. This huge day, 750 million shares being traded. If you add these together, you're talking roughly 3 billion shares being traded just in this week right here. 3 billion shares being traded in this range right in here, just in the run-up alone. So you certainly had plenty of opportunities to unload your shares. Because when it happens, when you get to the short squeeze, you're not going to be, the hedge funds are not going to be the only people buying the stock. FOMO buyers are going to jump in. Sure, they may get burnt, but they're buying your shares if you're selling. Day traders are going to try and take advantage of the volatility and use their technical patterns. They're going to be buying your stock. They could get burnt. Hedge funds are going to be buying the stock. They could absolutely get burnt. So you're going to have this huge inflow of volume where it's going to be, completely, I don't want to say easy, but you will be able to sell your stock because there will be so many shares being traded during that time that it's not something you have to worry about. Like, you're not going to find a buyer out there. And they never covered. Think about that, Clay. Well, listen, they did cover some shares, and we don't know during that time frame. If you go back, you guys know what the graph looks like. But if you go back there, we only know the net change in shares, right? So we know that they covered roughly 17 million shares during that time. There's 100 million shares outstanding, and they ended up with 83 million short shares that were out there. So we do know, or 85 million I think it was. So we do know that they did cover some of those shares during that time. However, that was the net change. We don't know if they went out there and covered 80 million shares, but then shorted another 70 million shares. We don't know the intricacy of what happened during that time. How many were covered and how many new ones were bought out there. We just know that it's roughly 17 million net change in short shares. Compare that to the 1 billion fake shares. Yeah, but I'm not on board with all of the fake shares out there. If there does turn out to be billions of synthetic shares, then it's going to be even better. They're going to have to cover many, many shares. 28. Sorry, wrong from me. Let me guess your age, Clay, bro. You're 30, 28. No, Scrappy. I am 32. Thank you very much for guessing 28. You make me feel young again, man. Yep, to Pluto. Let's do it. AMC to Pluto, growing like a monster. Absolutely. I'm here, homies. What up? Diffy Dog, how you doing? Denny Oliver, what's going on? Denny, how you doing? Hopefully you're having a good day today. Aiming higher. Brett, Megalotone. Yes, we are all aiming higher. Claybro, having a wonderful day today. We are all having a wonderful day today. Hello, I found a bug PTU. Marco, you found that yesterday, man. Go watch Marco's video. He really wants you to watch it. Wow, Brett is also 32. Everybody's 32 in the chat, man. Everybody. Claybro, your opinion, are we going to retest 48 today? Today? I don't know. It seems like we're getting stuck around this $46 level today. I don't know why everybody's fascinated with the 46. I don't know if we test 48. All I want to do is close above 46.62, so Natalie's in the green. What's up, Clay? What's up, Salvatore Piazza? How are you doing today, Salvatore? Hope you're having a great day. 38 is not young. What? 38 is young. I mean, he's making me feel young when he's saying 28. That's what I meant. Hello from Scotland, fellow AMC holders. Graham, hello from Ohio. What's up, Clay? Salvatore. What's your opinion of Elon Musk? Savage. My opinion, that dude is a savage. I'm only 21 years old. Scrappy legit. Very nice. Feel very young. You should. You should. 21 years old, hanging out in here, you're going to be doing very well, man. Love this day. We're looking very stable today. Yes, we are, Tom. It is looking very nice in the $46 range. Piazza. Yes, exactly. We got the Salvatore Piazza. Clay, say hi to my buddy. I don't know if you're tricking me on this name or not, man. I don't know if you're tricking me. What's up, T? How you doing? Hopefully you're having a good day. And do you think the market will take a big hit now that the Supreme Court ended the eviction hold? Housing market will suffer, but what about the market in general? Hey, housing market in general, if that suffers, that doesn't necessarily bring down the stock market. So housing market, you could see some builders get hit. You could also see some REITs get hit because of that. So I don't think that there's necessarily that big of a correlation between the two, unless, of course, the housing market just destroys everybody who's investing in the stock market, and then they got to pull their money out of stocks in order to take care of their situations with their housing, which should be taking care of your situation with your housing to begin with. So if everybody's playing it as they should, no. But if everybody's overextending themselves and not paying their bills on their house, and then they're investing their money instead, and they got to pull their money out of the stock market to finally pay their bills on their house, In that situation, yes, we could see an overall market decline because of it. But I think the first people that are going to get, the first, I don't know, industries that are going to get hit would be construction, builders, maybe materials, and REITs. It's going to take it the biggest. Clearly, the institutions during the mother of all short squeezes would sell off to profit. Any chance to reach above 300? Yeah, Bastille. I think that there is a chance that the institutions would hold beyond 300. Now, whether or not they will, I don't know. That's going to be a huge gain for them. But I think they understand what's going on here. I think they understand what's going on. They know this is not an investment in the fundamentals of AMC. No one knows how many fake shares there are. Just like no one knows how many shares Clay Daddy has. He is a grower of friends, not a shower. Exactly, guys. We're all growers, not showers. We don't need to show our portfolios. We just need to grow our portfolios, right? Kyle, man, mahalo holla again. Big fat boom boom candles in the next hour or two. Calling it right now. Kyle, man, thank you very much for the super chat. I appreciate it. Calling it right now. Guys, the thing about calling it right now is, Can we get the boom boom candles to come in after 3 o'clock when we come back from our lunch break? Because we need to take a lunch break. We need to take a lunch break so you guys can actually get some work done and I can eat. We take a little break. We come back and hang out again from 3 to 5 and enjoy it. But I want to know, are the boom boom candles, are we going to run up? Let's get the predictions in the chat right now before we take off. Do we open above or below that 46.62 line? Is Natalie going to be in the green or the red when we come back from lunch? If I learned anything from 2008, it's the housing market has no effect on the broader market as a whole. Yeah, exactly, man. That's exactly what you learned from 2008. You only need one share of AMC to be an ape, a Salvatore Piazza. That is exactly right, man. One share makes you an ape. I'm excited for Power Hour today. Me too, Scrappy. I want to bust through 48. Green. Natalie says green. We're going green today. Natalie's going to be green. We're above 46.62 when we come back for Power Hour. I never learned because I'm a walnut brain ape. It is all right. It is all right. The walnut brain apes are the best kind of apes. Nutrition before the mission. Exactly, Antonio. You got to stay hydrated. Clay, I've been wanting to ask, what is a gamma squeeze? Not a super long explanation because I know you've answered before. Chris, gamma squeeze happens when options expire in the money. Those options that expire in the money that haven't been hedged for, and they're not covered calls that would be out there. The institutions and the market makers that sold those calls have to go out and buy the shares in order to hand over those shares for people that were exercising the calls. So gamma squeeze happens when buying pressure comes in to fulfill the orders from calls getting exercised. So it's all about options driving demand higher. Short squeeze is all about shorts being covered to drive demand higher. Like, they're both the same thing, except the demand is coming from different places. Natalie about to go greener than Princess Fiona. Ooh, I like it, Natalie going green today. Everybody's on board with Natalie going green. Guys, we're going to end it for the lunchtime break. We're going to come back at 3 p.m. Eastern time. I hope that each and every one of you guys come back. Get your name in the chat right now if you do want to shout out before we leave. Click each link down in the description below. They wouldn't be there if they weren't good links, guys. Go make sure you check them out. Weeble, if you haven't signed up for Weeble yet and you want to use it, look, the chart on the graph or the chart on the screen right now is Weeble. It's an excellent platform. Make sure to use the link in the description below. All that good stuff. And let's get these shout outs. Alicia! It was a wonderful morning. Hopefully you join us for the afternoon. Dusty, shout out to you. Bryce, Highlands, Denji, Zodion, Jason, Sam Blow, my man, Jimmy Chua, Playmaker, Scrappy, Irrelevant, Chris, Bryce, Marco, Scrappy again, Ice Cream, Hudson's, Jason, DSA, Gatsby, shout out to you, absolutely, thanks for hanging out with us, Irish, Jason, Crypto Rocketeer, with the boom, dabbing on him, DD214, see you this afternoon, adios to you, my friend, Natalie, Lauren, hopefully you guys have wonderful days, Rocket, if you're still listening, man, but not typing, enjoy your afternoon. We'll be back. Kyle, hopefully you come back with us this afternoon. We love it when you're here. Mahalo, brother, for everything today. Jonathan, let's go. Shout out to you. Enjoy your afternoon. Kelby, still best friends. Natalie, bye. Clay, bye, everyone. Bye, Natalie. Enjoy your afternoon. Get some work done. 11 on Simon. Take care, Clay. You as well, 11 on Simon. Alicia, Jason, Denny Oliver. Denny, shout out to you, my man. Guys, now if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Until the next time. Hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.